Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something that's not only super trendy, but also incredibly beneficial for your health and well-being. Houseplants. If you're looking to spruce up your living space and boost your mood, I've got a list of 10 of the healthiest plants you can have in your home. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. First up, let's talk about the snake plant. This beauty is practically indestructible. It thrives on neglect, which is perfect for those of us who may not have the greenest thumbs. Plus, it's a champion at purifying the air by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. Imagine waking up to fresher air every morning. It's like a little gift to yourself. Next, we have the spider plant. This one is not just cute, but also a powerhouse when it comes to removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. The spider plant is also super easy to propagate, so you can create little babies to share with friends or decorate different corners of your house. It's like a little green army of health. Moving on to the peace lily. Now, this plant is not only gorgeous with its elegant white blooms, but it's also a great air purifier. It's particularly good at filtering out ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. Just be careful if you have pets. It can be mildly toxic to them. But if you can keep it out of reach, you'll have a stunning and health-boosting addition to your home. Let's not forget about the pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This trailing vine is perfect for hanging baskets or draping over shelves, and it's another air-purifying champion. It's incredibly forgiving if you forget to water it, and it can thrive in low light. Honestly, it's like the perfect roommate. Low maintenance, yet always brings a little life to the space. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more exotic, check out the rubber plant. With its glossy leaves, it's a real showstopper. Not only does it look stunning, but it's also fantastic at removing toxins from the air. It prefers bright, indirect light, so find a nice sunny spot for it to thrive. Plus, it can grow quite tall, making it a beautiful statement piece in any room. Let's move to the aloe vera plant. This one is a must-have for anyone who loves natural remedies. Not only does it purify the air, but its gel is also fantastic for treating minor burns and skin irritations. Having an aloe vera plant in your kitchen is like having a little first aid kit at your fingertips. Just cut a leaf and apply the gel directly to your skin. It's nature's magic. Next on our list is the bamboo palm. This plant is not only beautiful, but also great at filtering out indoor air pollutants. It thrives in low light and adds a tropical vibe to your home. Plus, it's pet-friendly, so you can enjoy its benefits without worrying about your furry friends. Let's talk about the ZZ plant. This one is perfect for those of us who might forget to water our plants occasionally. It's drought-tolerant and can thrive in low light. The ZZ plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities, making it a great addition to any room, especially if you're working from home and need a little boost in your environment. Now we can't forget about the Boston fern. This lush plant is an excellent humidifier, which is perfect for dry indoor air. It's a bit more high maintenance than some of the others on this list, but with the right care, it can thrive and add a beautiful green touch to your space. Finally, let's wrap up with the philodendron. This plant is known for its heart-shaped leaves and is incredibly easy to care for. It's a fantastic air purifier, filtering out toxins like formaldehyde, and it can thrive in various light conditions. Plus, it's just so beautiful, adding an instant touch of elegance to any room. So there you have it, 10 of the healthiest plants you can have in your home. Each of these plants not only enhances your space, but also contributes to a healthier environment. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, these options are sure to bring a little life and wellness into your home. Happy planting!